Let's get cookin' Texas style. Howdy folks, Jessie here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Texas cooking is big, bold, and packed with flavor. But today, we're making it healthy without losing any of that magic. We'll use smart swaps, lean proteins, and loads of fresh veggies to give 3 classic Texas dishes a SlimSync makeover. On the menu, juicy grilled steak, a zesty Tex-Mex salad, and a lighter smoky chili, all hearty, all satisfying, all good for your goals. So, tie on your aprons. Let's dive into some seriously delicious feel-good cooking. Welcome to SlimSync Texas Style Made Healthy. First up, we're diving into the heart of Texas with a grilled steak that's as healthy as it is bold. This isn't just any steak, it's a celebration of flavor, tradition, and wholesome eating, all fired up under the open sky. Start with a lean sirloin, one of the best cuts for both taste and nutrition. It's naturally tender, packed with protein, and lower in fat than many other cuts, making it perfect for a guilt-free feast. For that signature Texas kick, make a bold rub: smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, black pepper, and just a pinch of salt. These spices bring out the steak's natural richness and add a smoky depth that's irresistible. Pat the steak dry, drizzle with a little olive oil, and coat it generously with your spice rub. Press the spices in firmly. This helps create a beautiful crust that locks in all those juices and flavors. While the steak soaks up those flavors, prep your veggies. Go for thick slices of bell peppers, red onion, and zucchini. These vegetables not only add color and crunch, but they're loaded with vitamins and fiber. Toss the veggies with olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. This simple seasoning lets their natural sweetness shine through as they roast. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees for 20-25 minutes. Toss halfway through to get those caramelized edges and deep roasted flavors that make every bite special. Meanwhile, fire up your grill. You want it hot. Those grill marks aren't just for looks. They add a smoky char that's pure Texas. Grill your steak for about 4 to 5 minutes per side for a perfect medium rare, flipping just once. Listen for that sizzle. It's the sound of flavor being sealed in. Once off the grill, let the steak rest under foil for 10 minutes. This step is key. It keeps every slice juicy and tender, so don't rush it. Slice the steak thinly, always against the grain. This makes each bite extra tender and easy to enjoy. Plate your roasted veggies as a hearty, colorful base, then fan those juicy steak slices right on top. The combination is as beautiful as it is delicious. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lime. That burst of citrus brightens every flavor and ties the whole dish together. This meal is high in protein, low in carbs, and absolutely bursting with smoky, bold Texas flavor. It's proof that healthy eating can be exciting and deeply satisfying. No need for heavy sauces or fried sides, just honest, wholesome ingredients that let the natural flavors shine. Every bite is nourishing and full of goodness. It's a steak dinner you can feel great about, whether it's a weeknight or a special occasion. Gather your friends or family and make it a celebration. The secret? It's all about quality ingredients, bold spices, and a little extra care in every step. That's what makes this meal truly special. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing heartiness or flavor. This dish proves you can have both, big taste and big nutrition. This is SlimSync, healthy eating, Texas style, and full of joy. It's about sharing good food and good times, all while nourishing your body. So dig in, savor every bite, and taste the magic of a meal that's as good for you as it is delicious. High-protein steak, fiber-rich veggies, and all the bold flavor you crave. Completely guilt-free and totally satisfying. Celebrate the natural goodness of real food, Texas style. Every meal is a chance to enjoy, connect, and feel your best. Who says healthy can't be delicious? With the right ingredients and a little Texas spirit, anything is possible. Ready for more? Let's move on to our next Texas classic and keep the good food rolling. Next up, we're making a salad that's anything but boring. This is the ultimate Tex-Mex chicken and black bean salad, bursting with color, flavor, and nutrition. If you think salads are just a side dish, this one will change your mind. Start with boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and give them a generous coating of Tex-Mex spices: chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. This spice blend is what gives the chicken its signature smoky, savory kick. Grill or sear the chicken until it's cooked through and beautifully charred on the outside. Let it rest for a few minutes to keep it juicy, then dice it into bite-sized pieces. Now it's time to build your salad. Start with a bed of crisp romaine lettuce. Add in black beans, rinsed and drained for extra protein and fiber, along with sweet corn kernels, diced red onion for a little bite, red bell pepper for crunch, and juicy cherry tomatoes for a pop of freshness. It's a rainbow of nutrients and flavor, with every ingredient bringing something special to the bowl. For the dressing, squeeze fresh lime juice for brightness and tang. Add a good drizzle of olive oil, which helps carry all those bold flavors and adds a silky texture. Sprinkle in a bit more cumin, chili powder, and a pinch of salt to tie the Tex-Mex flavors together. Finish with cracked black pepper, then whisk it all together for a zesty, aromatic dressing that wakes up your taste buds. Dice the rested chicken and add it to the salad while it's still warm, so it soaks up all those fresh flavors. Pour the lime dressing over everything and toss well, making sure every bite is coated in that tangy, spicy goodness. Top with diced avocado for a creamy texture and a boost of healthy fats that make the salad extra satisfying. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a burst of herbal freshness and classic Tex-Mex flair. Plate it up: crisp lettuce, juicy chicken, hearty beans, sweet corn, tangy tomatoes, and creamy avocado in every forkful. This is a complete meal: lean protein from the chicken, healthy fats from the avocado, complex carbs from the beans and corn, and plenty of fiber from all those veggies. It's filling, energizing, and perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep for the week ahead. Want to make it your own? Add crunchy tortilla chips for texture or a sprinkle of cotija cheese for a salty finish. But honestly, it's fantastic just as it is. Healthy eating should be vibrant, satisfying, and something you crave, not a chore or an afterthought. The smoky chicken, sweet veggies, creamy avocado, and zesty lime dressing come together to make every bite a celebration of flavor and freshness. This is a salad you'll actually look forward to eating, not just tolerate. No more sad desk lunches, just bold, fresh flavor that keeps you satisfied and energized all day. Eating healthy never looked or tasted so good. This is proof that nutritious food can be absolutely crave-worthy. Try it once and you'll be hooked. This Tex-Mex salad is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Ready for one more Texas comfort classic? Let's make chili, SlimSync style. Get your taste buds ready for the grand finale. On to the final recipe. Let's finish strong. Last up, we're diving into pure comfort, Texas chili, but with a lighter, healthier twist thanks to lean ground turkey. This recipe brings all the bold, smoky flavors you crave, but keeps things light enough for everyday enjoyment. Start by heating a touch of olive oil in a large Dutch oven or heavy-bottomed pot. Toss in diced onion and bell peppers, and sauté them over medium heat until they're soft, sweet, and just starting to caramelize. Next, add a generous spoonful of minced garlic. Let it cook for about a minute, just until it's fragrant and fills your kitchen with that irresistible aroma. Now, stir in your lean ground turkey. Use a wooden spoon to break it up as it cooks, making sure every bit gets nicely browned. This step adds depth and a hearty texture to your chili. Sprinkle in your chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, oregano, and just a pinch of cayenne for a subtle kick. These spices are what give Texas chili its signature warmth and complexity. Toast the spices for a minute or two, stirring constantly. This step wakes up their flavors and infuses the turkey with a deep, smoky aroma. Pour in crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and a can of green chilies for a little tang and heat. Add both kidney beans and black beans for extra protein, fiber, and that classic chili heartiness. Pour in enough chicken broth to reach your desired consistency. Thick and hearty, but still spoonable. The broth helps all the flavors meld together as the chili simmers. Give everything a good stir, making sure to scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Those little bits are packed with flavor and will enrich your chili even more. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer with the lid slightly ajar for at least an hour. This slow simmer is where the magic happens. The longer your chili simmers, the richer and more concentrated the flavors become. Don't rush this step. Let the ingredients work their magic. As it cooks, the turkey becomes incredibly tender, the sauce thickens, and your whole home fills with the mouth-watering aroma of homemade chili. This chili is perfect for meal prep. In fact, the flavors deepen and improve overnight, making leftovers even more delicious the next day. When you're ready to serve, ladle the thick, hearty chili into a big bowl. It's loaded with lean protein, fiber, and all the comforting flavors you love. Top each bowl with a dollop of non-fat Greek yogurt for creaminess, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime to brighten every bite. Every spoonful is savory, smoky, and just a little spicy, packed with flavor and nutrition. It's comfort food you can feel great about. No guilt, just pure, satisfying flavor in every bite. This chili is perfect for chili nights, game days, or any time you want something hearty and nourishing to share with family and friends. It's family-friendly, meal prep ready, and totally satisfying, ideal for busy weeks or cozy weekends at home. Healthy swaps like lean turkey and extra beans make all the difference, giving you a chili that's both nourishing and delicious. This is Texas chili, SlimSync style, big on taste, light on calories, and sure to become a new favorite. Enjoy every bite. Let's wrap up our Texas feast with a bowl of this hearty, healthy chili, comfort food at its best. And there you have it, 3 bold, healthy, Texas-inspired meals for your weight loss journey. Grilled steak, vibrant Tex-Mex salad, and hearty turkey chili. Proof that healthy eating can be exciting and delicious. Celebrate good ingredients and big flavors, the SlimSync way. Get in the kitchen and try these recipes. They're perfect for any night, and your friends and family will love them. Thanks for joining me for some Texas magic. Subscribe to SlimSync for more healthy Western meal plans. Until next time, happy cooking, y'all!